Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first, unlock our phone, then make sure that the volume is up, that you don't have anything muted. Then you can clean the speaker that is right in here and right on the top with soft brush or compressed air. Just don't use any metallic tools. Then disable the Bluetooth because you may have something connected that you play the music from. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.